GTI have sabotaged our Cicada tremor system, a tool built for geological surveying and resource mining, meant to help humanity, has been turned into an instrument of disaster. GTI are willing to sacrifice this whole city just to frame us. They may not value human life, but we do. Initiate an assault on the tower and terminate the tremor system. Let the aftershocks be our battle cry, and make GTI pay.
You got this thing! Keep watch for me. Time to fight back! Deploying kit!
objective Alpha. They've lost more than half of their troops. Maintain defensive lines. On the Cicada tremor system.
Keep watch for me.
They sustained minimal losses. We need to keep defending the sector. The enemy has taken objective Bravo 1.
You can run, but you can't hide. Deploying pistol. Hold on, I'm fixing her.
The situation's critical. There may be a major earthquake. Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 2.
I'm repairing. That's the hit. Repairs underway. Now I see. Repairing the vehicle. Conducting repair!
The enemy is more than halfway defeated. Keep guarding the sector.
Fixing her up!
Allied forces are attacking objective Bravo 1.
Guided missile ready.
You got this, Tim! Repairs underway!
Our forces have taken full control of objective Bravo 2. Be advised, enemy troops are attacking objective Bravo 2.
Requesting missiles now! Over! You can run, but you can't
Guided missiles launched.
Repairing the vehicle! That was too close for comfort! Don't move! I'm repairing!
The enemy's forces are dwindling. Hold the line.
Keep watch for me. Vapor! Fixing her up! Now I see. Repairs underway! Conducting repairs! Repairing the vehicle!
Our forces have taken full control of objective Bravo 2.
Don't move! I'm repairing!
Allied forces are clearing objective Bravo 1. They're almost gone. Keep fighting. Make sure that we get the final victory.
Repairs underway! Hold on! I'm fixing it! Deploying tip! Hostile one!
Alert! Major quake detected!
Enemy!
Allied forces have taken objective Bravo 2. Ready to fight back. The enemy's offense and secured the sector. Operation accomplished.